Welcome to the PD Pet Care Vlogs. I'm Dr Cath and today we're going to talk about why dogs tilt their head. It's a pretty endearing characteristic amongst dogs, but not all of them do it. So why do some of them tilt their head and why do some do it more than others? Well, the short answer is we don't really know, but I think we can make some pretty good assumptions. So just as in humans, it's got to be about focusing attention, focusing where the sound is coming from, but also from a dog's point of view, if they get a positive reaction from their human for doing that behaviour, then there's a pretty good chance they're going to repeat it. So I think because we often give them some sort of positive response for doing it, they're much more likely to do it again if they've been praised for doing it in the past. There has been a study which has looked at what they called gifted word learner dogs. So these are dogs that can associate multiple words with an object, and outside the normal ratios of chance, those dogs can retrieve that object regardless of the word that's given to them that's associated with that object. So these are like I say, they've referred to them as gifted word learner dogs. So these dogs they seem to tilt their heads around 43% of the time, versus the dogs that aren't gifted word learners, so can't associate multiple words with an object. They're only about 2% likely to tilt their heads in association with maybe something like walkies or the car. So it does appear that some of those dogs that are much more capable of learning human words are more likely to tilt their head. Does that mean they're more intelligent? Well, when it comes to learning words, probably. Maybe not for everything. So head tilt's pretty cute and endearing. The only time I would suggest it's of concern is if it suddenly starts happening in a dog who wouldn't normally, and it's not associated with sounds or words that you're saying. So, and particularly if it persists. So a dog who's got his head on the side and wouldn't normally, and particularly if they've lost their balance or anything else, that's not normal, that needs to be treated. But if your dog's just really cute when you say certain words or make certain sounds, and your dog starts tilting its head back and forth and it seems really engaged, it's pretty cute behaviour, nothing wrong with it.